The golden sun bathed the vast African savanna in warm light as Leo the lion stretched beneath a towering acacia tree. His golden mane rippled in the breeze, and his amber eyes watched over the land he called home. Leo loved the savanna, its rolling plains, its whispering grass. But most of all, he loved looking after the animals who lived there. One day, a desperate cry for help reached Leo's ears. His sharp eyes scanned the horizon, searching for the source. Near the riverbank, a young gazelle struggled in the thick, sinking mud. Panic filled her wide brown eyes. Leo approached, but the gazelle trembled in fear. Please don't eat me," she cried. Leo tilted his head. "Eat you? I'm here to help." His deep voice was warm, not threatening. The gazelle hesitated, but Leo stayed still, waiting for her trust. Finally, she whispered, "I can't get out." Leo looked around and spotted a sturdy branch nearby. He grabbed it and nudged it toward the gazelle. "Bite down and hold on," he instructed gently. The gazelle clamped onto the branch, and Leo used his powerful muscles to pull her free. With one final heave, the gazelle tumbled onto dry land, gasping for breath. She blinked up at Leo in shock. You saved me?" "Of course," Leo said with a smile. "Why wouldn't I?" The gazelle hesitated. "Because you're a lion, and him just a gazelle." Leo chuckled. "What does that have to do with kindness?" The sun was beginning to set, casting golden light over the land. The gazelle glanced at Leo one last time before bounding away. Leo stretched and turned back toward his favorite resting spot. But something was different. The other animals, ones that once feared him, were watching him. A family of meerkats peeked from behind a rock. A group of zebras stood still under a tree. Even a flock of birds chirped quietly from above. From that day on, Leo was no longer just the strongest animal in the savanna. He was the kindest, too. As the stars appeared in the vast night sky, Leo whispered the words of 1 Corinthians chapter 16:14 in his heart, "Let all that you do be done in love." As the stars shimmered above the peaceful savanna, Leo felt a deep warmth in his heart. Love, he realized, was the greatest strength of all. And from that day forward, the animals of the savanna no longer feared him, they trusted him. As Leo looked out over the peaceful savanna, he knew that love had made him stronger than any roar ever could. He lay beneath the stars, feeling the warmth of those he had helped, knowing that true greatness came from a heart full of love.